Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I will be preparing some Trader Joe's pot stickers and fried rice in the air fryer. Okay, this is the air fryer we'll be using today. This is the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. And I like to preheat my air fryer for 2 minutes. Okay, now that it's finished preheating, it's time for me to add my food. This side here, see, it comes with this insert right here. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna spray this side with Pam. This is gonna be the side that I use for my pot stickers. This side I removed their insert, and I'm gonna put my fried rice over here. Okay, I added my pot stickers. I have about 7 in here. This side I have the fried rice. I did not spray this side with Pam because I'm going to add a teaspoon of oil to the rice. Okay, now I'm going to set my temp. Okay, going to hit this smart finish because I'm cooking on both sides. And then I'm going to hit air fryer. This side I want to cook at 400 for about 12 minutes because I want them a little crispy, okay? This side, you're going to hit 2, air fry, 350 for about 5 minutes, maybe 4. And just hit start. And this side's going to cook first because it's the longer cook time. And then when it gets down to the 4 minutes, this side will start up. Okay, this is what they look like when they're done. If you don't want yours this brown or crunchy, you don't have to cook them as long or at a high temperature that I did, or at the high temperature that I did. And this is the fried rice. Let's plate it up. Okay, our pot stickers and our fried rice. Quick lunch, after school snack, dinner if you cook enough of them. I appreciate y'all if y'all would share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.